Alright, here we go. Sal doing a box of Totally Certified. Totally Certified. There's a fat one. We got one fatty in there. What's it gonna be? Here's a thin one. Rookie of Nick Petrecki. And a Totally Certified Signatures of Akeem Alou. Should be any goalies, I'm sorry. Nope, no goalies. Rookie of Jordan Schrader. And a Connor Murphy rookie roll call jersey. And you got a Semyon Varlamov. Nice. Next, well, you got a Marc-Andre Fleury. And a Matt Nieto rookie. And a Quentin Howden rookie jersey autograph. Alright, here we go. I have a feeling there's going to be something nice in here. Just a hunch. Got a fatty. Well, first up, number to 25, Rick Nash, gold. Platinum gold to 25, Rick Nash. Rookie of Sammy Vatanen. A private signings, very nice, of Charlie Coyle. Those are normally in Dominion, but they got some into this. Charlie Coyle private signings. And Joink, rookie roll call prime number to 50, Justin Schultz. Justin Schultz. So Sal, there you have it.